Once again.
Hello again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's Mobile Mechanics, and we're looking at this Vauxhall Insignia here. We've done some previous video repairs on it. So while we were doing another repair, we were cleaning the turbo here. After the video, we were just giving it some revs, sitting there for 5 minutes, and then we noticed there is a leak coming from that section right there. So this is one of these ever since you jobs, but is quite better that it happened here with me than down the road, I'd say, so we're going to get it fixed anyway. Just remove these two 30mm bolts there. They're the slots where the engine cover sits on, so I can pull out the injector wire and loom there. Undone these 10mm bolts here and there, just so you can get these loose. Again for the wire and loom. Oh, we've got another one here. That's a smaller one. The 10mm back on there. Just use our trim tool here to pull up the wire and loom from the bracket there, support bracket. Let's just try and get this wire and loom out of the way as much as we can, so we can get in there accessed. Just going to pull out the ECU there. It just slips up from the battery casing. Just removing the bolts from here. We just disconnected this pipe off there just by spreading out them clips at the bottom. So we'll take this off. Just a couple of more plugs here onto this bracket. Move that one off. It's a lot of just a lot of wiring that needs pulling out to place. Get out of the way. This one here, we'll just get this off. And just down here on this bracket, we've just got a couple of T20 screws here to remove. It looks like this 10mm bolt here for the oil dipstick bracket needs to be removed. This dipstick, if I can get you down there to have a look. Where are we there? I need to sort of, the bolt is behind it, so there's no other way of doing it without sort of like slightly bending it back a bit. Then we can get to that Torx bolt there. It's a bit of a silly design. Got to sort of slightly just bend the dipstick tube, otherwise you'd have to do a lot of work to get that out of the way. Now we just get these bolts off. That's that one there. So the good thing about having the replacement part here is we can see exactly where the bolts are. So that's those two top ones. You've got a hidden one right there down that centre there, and we've got two more down the bottom. 3/8 ratchet doesn't fit down this hole, so we're going to downsize to a 1/4 inch. One's underneath here. We just have to basically put our hand under, feel for it, and get the ratchet on there. Now I've just got that open there. You can't actually see the bolt, you just got to put your hand under there and feel for it. And again here, just put my hand down there to feel for that bolt, and we've got that. That should be loose, but I don't know, it feels a bit tight still. Maybe I have to give it a few taps of a hammer. Don't think we're missing any bolts, so I don't know why it's so tight. Maybe we are missing one bolt, are we? That's it, we've managed to bang it loose. Try and get this out in one piece here. That is the offending piece there. You can see there, somewhere around this corner there was leaking. Just pull this centre piece out. We've just got that new gasket there pressed on. Now we can insert the EGR cooler back into the cup. We'll just pull off this old gasket from the block, from the head here. Just get that pulled out. Try and pull it out in one piece without ripping it. It's quite stuck in there from the heat. We'll get this new gasket put on. Okay, so that's all our old bolts there put back on, all around the cooler cup there. We've just got these vacuum lines connected back in. It's worth noting there that on the old part there was this blanking cap for the middle, because maybe some models have 3 vacuum lines and some have 2, but this is 2, and this one is just a blanking cap. So that's it all done, and now we're just filling it up with some coolant. We'll go inside and start it up, and it should drink up some of that. Got a good level there. That's that one all sorted. See you in our next video.